Hello everybody, Rabjo Singh this side. Today I want to tell you about articles. The definition of article is the words a or an and the are called articles. They come before nouns. For example, a boy and orange. Boy and orange are nouns and a and are articles. Always remember articles belong to a group of words called determiners. Determiners are of 6 types. Articles is one of them. There are 2 types of articles, indefinite and definite. In indefinite, a or an, and in definite, there is only one, that is the. Indefinite articles. The article a or an are called indefinite because it does not refer to any particular person or thing. For example, I saw a boy in the playground. It can be any boy, it is not definite. There are some notes, you can read them and can take help to solve the exercises. Definite article. The article the is called definite because it is used to refer to a particular or definite person or thing. For example, the monitor went to call the teacher. In this, we know who is the monitor and who is the teacher. The monitor is of the class and the teacher is also of the class. And there are some uses of definite article. These help in solving the exercises. Sometimes we don't use articles, means there is a omission of the article when there is proper nouns or individual mountains, streets, days of the week, months of the year, uncountable nouns. Precious is the uncountable noun, so we don't use article. Countable nouns like sweets, languages French, names of meals like dinner, names of relation father mother. Always remember, repetition of the article change the meaning. If we say I have a black and a white shirt means we have a shirt which is partly black and partly white. But if we say I have a black and a white shirt means we have 2 different shirts. So take care of this. Thank you everybody.